3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Forex Trading Show. Forex trading live every weekday morning. Real trades, real profits, zero analysis. Set back, relax, and get ready to profit. And now, your host, Terry from FXWithTerry.com.
Free, no loss, Forex trades. We're in the trade still from yesterday. CAD, CHF, CAD Swiss. We are in a buy trade, and one of the reasons I chose this currency pair, I mentioned this yesterday, is that this is a slower pair. My free signals can make you a lot of money. But my free signals are more intended to teach absolute beginners how this whole thing works. What's cool about this is it's not price specific. You simply buy. Hit buy on CAD Chief. Now, have yourself a demo account. Everybody should be practicing on demo. Even my subscribers are recommended to practice on demo, because it has nothing to do with the trade itself. It has everything to do with you. Will you overbid? Do you understand how much you could, should, would, or shouldn't bid? Those are key elements. But CAD Chief, CAD Swiss, if we look at the chart here, this is the 4-hour chart. You can see, just like usual, it's absolutely sideways. Absolutely sideways. Look at some of the previous movement. A huge rush to the top, a big fall to the bottom. Now we're sideways. What that means is the bankers and the hedge fund managers that have moved this currency dumped a bunch of money into it, and now they're sitting back waiting. Who knows which way it's going to go? We don't care. We don't care. Either way, we profit, we win. So, this live show on YouTube is a segue into my subscribers only live inside of my private group. You don't have to be a subscriber to watch this, but if you'd like to dig into all of the trades and all of the automated feeds, then come on over to FXWithTerry.com, get a free invite to the Discord group, and follow along with the free trades, follow along with this live every morning. And we'll talk about how to do that. But get into the group and get into the subscribers only, because why would you want to subscribe to this? Because we're still, even with this perfect no-loss winning strategy and signal, still done manually. That's the one thing I don't do anymore. I literally do not go into trades manually. I will enter some manually, all at the advice of my automated algorithm, after everything's already been automated. So let's talk about, just for a few minutes here before we go off to the subscribers live inside the group, let's talk about approaching this free signal as if you're brand new, because that's really what's happening, and why I've segmented off these different live versions. People are coming in and just literally have no idea what's going on. So let's talk about it from a point that you know absolutely nothing. Just briefly. And I'll be all over the place here. It's just kind of a stream of consciousness. But if you're brand new, the very first thing you need is to download the MetaTrader 4 app. That's what we're looking at on the screen here. This is my mobile phone. This is a live representation of an account. This is a demo account, of course. But this demo account is receiving my automated trades. Yesterday I opened up this trade. It was sent out CAD CHF buy. So you download the MetaTrader 4 app. You just go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and you just look up MetaTrader 4 or MT4. You download that. Now, when you're setting up a brand new MetaTrader account, it's going to say, hey, would you like a free MetaQuotes demo account and all that stuff? You can go ahead and do that. Now you've got a demo account. Now you can enter trades and click on the menus and play with everything. What you want to do, and I do this a lot of different ways, so you might be, I might have changed it up by the time you're seeing this video, but we're live right now, Wednesday, September 18th, 10:49 a.m. I'm going to try to keep this free, so this free video, the free YouTube broadcast on the free signal. I'm going to try to keep it about 15 minutes, certainly less if possible. So we're about 5 minutes in here. So you download this app, you get a demo account, and what you do is you go into my group, fxwithterry.com, get into the Discord group. You'll see the Trade Signals free menu. And sign up with your email, and it's going to give you the login details. It's going to give you the broker that we're using, right, for this particular signal that I'm sending out. It's going to give you the account number, the password. You can log right into this and see this exact count, exact numbers on your mobile device. And that is your signal when you look at this, because it is not price specific. It's entry specific, buy in this case, and it's take profit specific. If you can see here, my system has given you the TP price, take profit, where if and when the price moves to that, it's going to take profit and you'll automatically make a profit. Pretty simple, straightforward. But the TP price here is 0.62518. Enter a buy. Enter at whatever lot size. I might as well not sit here and tell you what lot size. 0.10 is what's on the screen. Go ahead and use that. Or bid a lot more. Or bid a lot less. Because that's the thing you have to practice and get used to. It's very specific to your broker, your leverage, the amount of balance that is in your account. You can see the balance on this account, $108,000, $108,293.92. So if we go to the history, nothing is closed overnight because that CAD chief buy that we're in is going to be relatively slow, and that's why I deliver it. I'm not trying to give away free trades that just profit, one after the other. That's what my automated system does. Now the trade that you're seeing, it's from my automated system. So it's the same trade that you would get, but you'd get 21 more currency pairs, and it would be all automated. You wouldn't have to manually enter. You can see here the other trades we've done, if looking back for the last 5-6 days, and it's only the middle of the week now. So basically the middle of this week to the middle of last week, we're looking back $617.65. That's bidding $1. You could make more. You could make less. You could have a bigger account. You could have a smaller account. Doesn't matter. No, you don't have to have a $100,000 account. I'm doing that to just have all kinds of room in the account and be able to show you what is possible here. You could start out with a very small account. Some people say, what's the smallest account? Is that really what you want to ask? Put the amount of money you have in, the amount of money you can afford to lose into an account and trade it. Even if you only make $10 a week, guess what? I can tell you how to turn that $10 into $6.5 million. So $10 a week withdrawn in profits from your account and held in Bitcoin for 10 years is $6.5 million. $10 a week for 10 years will turn into 6.5. I shouldn't say will. Could potentially turn into $6.5 million, more or less. That's the trajectory of Bitcoin. I'm not a Bitcoin conspiracy theorist. I don't care if it goes to 0. I don't care if it goes to 10 million. What I care about is the CAGR, the combined annual growth rate over time. Not what it does on a daily basis, weekly basis. Speaking of that, this afternoon, I'll go and show you this real quick. ForexFactory.com has news here at 2 p.m., the federal funds rate. They say this is going to move the market. You can see the red news folder. I've got the high impact news only showing. But at 2 p.m. today, the federal funds rate, FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, and then at 2:30 p.m., FOMC press conference. It's going to move the market. Good, bad, doesn't matter. Market movement is always good. Always good, especially for our algorithm. So we're in a CAD chief. probably going to move that a little bit because the U.S. market is the world reserve currency is the U.S. dollar, right? So there's going to be some movement. I've also heard that it may majorly move the crypto market. That's a good thing. We need constant movement. Up, down, whatever the case may be, constant movement. If it moves up, then the current money that you're holding right now in Bitcoin, if you are profitable, if the price goes down, you get to buy it at a cheaper rate. It's all net positive. So that's it for the free signal. And what you do is you simply, with my free signal, here's the intent. To kind of get familiar with the app, the MetaTrader 4 app, get familiar with entering a buy or a sell, and bid size, in this case 0.10 is $1 per pip of movement. You might even, I'll break it down. Every time the price ticks up in a buy trade, you make $1. Every time it ticks down in a buy trade, you are in drawdown. Not a loss, like the minus $9.47 at the top right now. That just means that we entered and the price pulled back a little bit. In this case, about 10 pips. So or in this case, 9 pips, $9. Round numbers. Really simple. But the intent behind this is for you to get the one thing that no one else will give you in the Forex trading market. Are you ready for it? Confidence that I know what the hell I'm talking about. Confidence that what I'm giving you, you can use to profit from if done properly, if managed properly. If you don't want to hover over your trades, you get into a lot of trades, you don't want to manage them, that's where you subscribe to my system and you get everything fully automated, and also you get my subscribers only live session, which, speaking of that, this is a great segue. So come on into the group, ask all the questions, ask during the live if you're a free subscriber. But what I'm going to do now within about a 60-second window is I'm going to go over to the private Discord group. I really even shouldn't say private. You got to have an invite, but it's open to everybody. And then, of course, I'm going to go live on the center stage for subscribers only. So moving forward, if you're a free subscriber and you've got questions, certainly the open chat in the group or here live every morning, Monday through Friday, weekdays. We're live. I'll answer any question. I'll get you profitable with Forex. Build, like I said, the confidence that you know what the hell you're doing, and then move on to the automation, which is the ultimate way to go. So that's it for today's free live session. Subscribers only. I will see you in the group in about 60 seconds. Take care. I'll see you there.
Thank you for joining us on the Forex Trading Daily Live Show. Get access to all of the free trades with full auto trading at fxwithterry.com. Be sure to subscribe and get notified of the daily live stream. And get ready for your next profitable Forex trade.